arrival with the General Manager and unfurling of national flag, followed by national salute by RPF and national anthem. Inspection of various contingent participating in today's march past. Is arriving. I request you all to please stand up, raise wherever you are. Our respected General Manager, Sri R. Rajagopal, has just arrived. I request the respected General Manager to kindly hoist the national flag. Ladies and gentlemen and their children, please be seated.
विमान परेड आपका निरीक्षण के लिए आगे है।
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿವಸ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ Today we have a total of 10 contingents participating in the parade. Leading from the front, Parade Commander Shivaraj, IPF, the Coast Commander. The first platoon is led by Srijit, SIPF. Girls led by Srinidhi of 9th standard. Fourth platoon, we have the Junior Division, NCC Boys, standard 3rd, Jayant of 8th standard. Then we have the Guides Wing of KB RWF, led by Shakti Priya of 10th standard.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಬಂಧಕರು ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕೆವಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಪಥಸಂಚಲನದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು NCCಯ 2 ಹಿರಿಯ ತಂಡಗಳು, ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗರದು, ಮತ್ತು 2 ಕಿರಿಯ ತಂಡಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗರದು ಮತ್ತು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು.
The parade commander has just sought the permission of the chief guests for the parade. Excellent. A big round of applause, please.
Third position. Morcha red. Third position. Ekale per.
कुछ कॉलम से मन से करेंगे।
नंबर में देने चलेगा। पर
Shivraju Singh, the first platoon, RPF platoon, led by Srijit, SIPF.
ನಮ್ಮ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸುರಕ್ಷಾ ದಳ ಈಗ ಮುಂದುವರಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅವರ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನ ಕವಾಯತನ್ನು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಬೇಕು. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂಡಗಳಿಗೂ ನೀವು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಬೇಕು.
NCC Boys Senior Division, led by Ankit Yadav of 10th standard. Next we have the NCC Girls Senior Division, led by Srinidhi of 9th standard. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಗಳ ಬರಬೇಕು.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೂ ಕರತಾಡನ ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
NCC Boys Junior Division, led by Likit Sai of 9th standard. Followed with NCC Girls Junior Division, led by Purva of 10th standard. Scout swing. We have 3 Scout swings. The first one led by Ankush Jain of 10th standard. The second wing, the Scouts of KVRWF led by Shrivardan of 10th standard. The third wing of KVRWF Scouts led by Jayan of 8th standard. Then we have the guide wing led by Shakti Priya of 10th C. Excellent children, a big round of applause please. And finally we have the RWF Scouts and Guides wing led by Nanda Kumar, is a rower. And on the bands we have Vishnu of 10th standard.
ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ
Excellent children. The parade marching section steps in Samiksha.
परेड विसर्जन करने के लिए अनुरोध करता हूं। देने चलेगा
ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ರಂಜಿಸಿದ ಇವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕರತಾಳನ ಕೊಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಬೇಕು.
That was indeed an excellent performance by the parade. Together.
President and office bearers and members of RWF Women's Welfare Organization, my dear colleague officers, friends, Joint Secretary and members of Staff Council, Zonal President and office bearers of AISC-ST REA, Zonal Secretary and office bearers of AIOBC REA, Principal, teachers and students of KVRWF, the RWF family members, representatives of press and media, ladies, gentlemen, parents and children. ನಿಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 78th ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. At the outset, ದೇವರನ್ನ God, he or she, God is in every form and everything should begin with thanks to the God because we were able to see the function today. 3 ದಿನ ಮುಂಚೆ ಪ್ರಳಯ ಬಂತು ಮಳೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. Nobody expected that we would have a ground like this, and God has worked through the ground staff to make this possible. I compliment the ground staff and a huge round of applause to them. I don't know how many children, I would like to tell you something, a piece of history, itihas, तारीख as in Urdu. पहली स्वतंत्रता दिवस जब बनाई गई थी तब एक इंद्रधनुष आया था. Children, can you tell me how many colors are there in the rainbow? 7. Excellent. VIBGYOR. All these colors are separate and distinct. Yet when they combine, they form a beautiful rainbow which we all appreciate. A rainbow is therefore the symbol of unity in diversity. And that's what we all are. Perhaps it was a very happy coincidence that we had a rainbow on the very first Independence Day. Similarly, we have various departments of railway factory which are the individual colors. And all of them combine to form that beautiful rainbow called railway factory. Nimellarigu Kelavu achievements, Upalabdhi, I will like to highlight. I will not say something which will bore you because this is all because of you and because of the family members backing. The mechanical department. July 2024, on watershed month, it was a fantastic trailblazing month. We had the highest number of good wheels produced, unbelievable 20,024. Yes, each of these achievements deserve that applause and much more. The highest number of heats ever tapped in the history of RWF, 700 in a month. Magical figure. It is something like in Test cricket. Do you know who has scored 400? Anybody? Brian Lara. And do you know who has scored 500 in first class cricket? Brian Lara. And all thought it was impossible, but 700 we have touched it. And the highest number of wheel sets produced in a month. You see, every department and every sub-department is competing with one another. Wheel sets, 9934, a record. And I'm happy to say that in addition to erdu machines ide wheel cutting के 2 machines हैं, उसके साथ साथ 3 और machines अभी complete भी हो गए हैं और commissioning होने वाला है shortly. इससे the work will be automatized.
As we release the tricolor balloons, on this occasion, let's keep the memories of all the people who sacrificed their lives for our country. Wishing you all a very happy and a vibrant Independence Day.
1, 2, and done. 3.
That's awesome. Once again, a happy Independence Day 2024. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have the cultural programs. I request the dignitaries to kindly be seated among the audience. Next, we have various cultural programs.